Welcome to JH. In this tutorial, I will show you how to deactivate Cloudflare in just 5 minutes. Cloudflare is a widely used service that many websites rely on for security, performance, and protection against digital attacks. However, there are instances where you might need to temporarily suspend Cloudflare services for troubleshooting purposes or when you are in the middle of transitioning to a different service provider. Here is a straightforward guide to help you navigate through this process. First, let's begin by logging into your Cloudflare account. Head over to the main login page. If you usually sign in using a Google account, there is no need to manually type in a separate username and password. Simply click on the option that says Continue with Google. This step is very handy for those who want to streamline their sign-in process and keep all their related activities under a single account. You will then see a prompt to choose from your list of Google accounts. Select the specific account associated with your Cloudflare service, and you will be granted access to your dashboard. Once you have landed on the Cloudflare dashboard, the next step is to navigate to your specific domain. This is crucial because any action you want to take regarding Cloudflare services will be specific to each individual domain under your account. Look for your domain in the provided list and click on it, which will take you directly to your domain's details page. Now that you are in the domain settings, scroll down the page until you come across the Advanced Actions section. It might take a bit of scrolling to find, but do not rush. You want to make sure you are looking at the correct options before making any changes. Once you are in the Advanced Actions area, locate the option to pause Cloudflare and click the button. This action will temporarily disable Cloudflare services for your domain. Be aware that while the service is paused, your website will no longer benefit from the CDN and security features, so it is something you should only do when necessary, ideally during a low traffic period for your site. After clicking the button, a confirmation pop-up will appear asking you to verify. Just click Pause to execute the change. Cloudflare is now paused for your domain. If you need to reactivate it later, just follow these same steps to turn the service back on. Having these steps ready gives you full control over your site's operations. Thanks for watching, and check out our other videos for more tech tips.